It's simple time and this is Chef Tato and today magluluto tayo ng simple version ng napaka-classic na kare-kare. Kaya let's start cooking!
Simple, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And yung gagawin natin, mag-assemble lang tayo ng kare-kare. We start off by making the annatto oil. So, yung gamit ko dito, you can use regular oil, but I'm using here the leftover oil na ginamit ko sa pagprito ng baboy. This is the pork-infused oil. And I use 1 pack of the UFC annatto seeds. Yan. So, I will just infuse the oil with color. So, it's already infused with the pork flavor. And I'm just adding the seeds to give it an orange color as well. And yung gagawin mo dito, just let it sit and infuse the orange tinge, no? And you strain that. So, we'll just leave it there. And ito, meron ako dito nakagawa na earlier. I'll heat up the pan and I will add my annatto oil. So, this is around 1/4 cup. Pareho dito. And I will just saute my onions and garlic. So, I want my onions and garlic. So, I want the flavor of the garlic and onions to, blend into the whole sauce thing. Sobrang aromatic na ng garlic. I also saute my onions. Once the onions are tender, yan, I will add my flour. So, I'm using 1/4 cup of flour. Now, all-purpose flour. And it's very important that you cook the flour. So, we cook the flour for around a minute or so. We add 4 cups of beef stock. To really stay true to the flavor of kare-kare, we will use beef stock. And I will also add 3/4 cup of peanut butter. The medyo sweet na Pinoy peanut butter. I will just add half of my crushed peanuts. The rest I will leave for garnish. We let that cook until thick. In the meantime, while waiting for our sauce to thicken, yung gagawin ko, I'm going to slice my puso ng saging. Just strip it off and we slice into pieces. Now, this is around 1/2 inch thick. Have it already there. So, I have my sitaw. I will just season with a little bit of patis. So, I season with patis to give it a very nice rounded flavor. And to complement the sweetness and the nuttiness. And we just let that simmer for around 3 to 5 minutes until all the flavors melt. And I will just slice my pork belly. Hi, sarap nito. With rice, obviously. Yan. And of course, our bagoong. Yan. Oh my God. And I think our sauce is done. Look at that. Very nice. Very rich sauce. Let's put sauce underneath. And we will arrange our vegetables. Dapat maganda yung plate natin, of course. Our sitaw. Of course. And so we can make 2 plates out of this. Wow. Happy, di ba? And of course, our pork belly in the center. Be sure na yung skin natin is not submerged in the sauce para it stays crispy. Of course, we garnish with our peanut. And here it is. Look at that. That was very simple and very easy. So you can do this recipe with all sorts of quick kare-kare versions you want to make. Ito yung gawin mo pag wala kang time lutuin ang classic kare-kare. Still as satisfying but very simple. Look at that. Very appetizing. Very elegant as well. Try this at home and enjoy it with your family. Our version of crispy kare-kare, tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta, simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!